New topic, driving start and success perspective from regional innovators. Yeah. So before going to the topic, first let's see what are the strategies we are going to see and how many experiences we are going to have from perspective that we are having from regional innovators, and we are going to share the lessons that is shared by entrepreneurs and innovators. So these are the things we are going to have in the startup success. So before the topic, first we are going to see what is the introduction. So 50% of Indian startup company, what they are doing is they are having the tie-up with tier 2 and tier 3. For example, if we go with the real-time example, I hope we all know about Zoho Corporation, whose founder name is Sridhar Vebo. Do you know where he comes from? His native name was he's from Benghazi. So what we are doing is, so he is a normal person only. Now the Zoho Corporation is very top in our real-time world. So like this only we are having some startups. So 50% of Indian startup is start with tier 2 and tier 3 architecture only. So very good example we can go with this Zoho Corporation, who is the founder. His name is Sridhar Vebo. And second one, we are going to the topic related, that is regional edge. Regional edge will be having some limited investor and will be having poor infrastructure only. Why? Because for example, we can take another very good example, that is Aravind Eye Care. So first of all, it is opened in Madurai only. So normally it was opened there. Later, now in metro cities everywhere, Aravind Eye Care Hospital is famous. I hope you all know, because myself also wearing specs and many of them are wearing specs. So Aravind Eye Care Hospital is very well known. Now it comes across in metro cities also, right? And whereas in Zoho Corporation will be using SaaS, that is software as a service platform, will be using. Coming to the third one, we will be having panel discussion. It is perspective from regional innovators. So here we will be inviting regional entrepreneurs and incubation center. A very good example what we can come across this topic is we will be having a woman that will be letting up with a startup company. So what she will be doing is she is a girl from Tirunelveli based company who is very well versed in handicraft. I hope you all have come across. So she is well across in handicraft startup selling products. So worldwide she is selling these products through e-commerce. Right. And the fourth one is case study and real world example. What we are having through this topic is campus startups and what are the types we have. Now recently students from Coimbatore, they have developed a low cost 3D printers, and now this printer is selling across all over India, and many colleges have started buying this low cost 3D printer. Right. So finally from conclusion by this Sridhar Vebo and quotes, which was told by Zoho Corporation. So the quotes is, talent is everywhere, so opportunity is not given here stored. So everyone is having each and every talent, but opportunity is not given to anyone he told. So finally we must create opportunity where people live. So we should give some opportunity so that it is useful for everyone. So it was told by the Sridhar Vebo, who is